Hello friends, and this is your host Vivek and welcome to this video. So today's video is about learning how to add a YouTube video in your HTML file or web page. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Presume you already have some HTML file handy with you guys, but still for reference purposes, let's create one HTML file. So this is just for reference. I am creating one. So let me actually open this in editor. I generally prefer Notepad++. So let me actually add some dummy HTML code in this. I hope you guys already know about HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's a very beautiful language for writing or creating the web pages, I would say. So yeah, for now I'm just adding some dummy code and like heading. So for your reference, adding in technical terms, we say embedding the video. So I will be using the term embedding also at some places. So now our HTML page is ready. So as you can see, it's loaded the whatever we added. So now let's go to the YouTube video you want to embed. So for reference, I have opened one of my videos. So YouTube actually internally provides you the option to embed the code. So for that, what simply you have to do? Right click and there is option copy embed code. Just simply click on this. So it will actually copy one code into your clipboard. Now go back to your HTML file and wherever you want to place that video, just paste that thing into your HTML file. So let me create one body and let me paste this. So if you see this tag, it is iframe tag which is from HTML5. It has some additional properties. Its main important thing is source. For now, you don't need to worry about the tag, what is there. Just save and refresh your page. So yeah, that's it. You can see video is there. You can even play it and you can add more videos on your web page. So that's how you can add the video.